Every week, millions of shoppers walk into Zara stores around the world and find new designs that weren't there just days ago. While most fashion brands take months to launch a new collection, Zara can go from concept to store in under 3 weeks. This isn't magic, it's supply chain mastery. This is the story of how Zara built the fastest fashion supply chain in the world. A system so agile, it changed the entire fashion industry. Traditionally, fashion brands followed a simple rhythm: design months in advance, manufacture overseas, ship in bulk, hope it sells. That meant long lead times, high risk, and piles of unsold stock. By the time a new design hit stores, trends had already changed. In the 1980s, one company, Zara, founded by Amancio Ortega in Spain, decided to flip the system upside down. Zara's secret wasn't predicting fashion, it was reacting to it. Instead of guessing what customers would want 6 months ahead, Zara built a supply chain that could respond in real time. When a style sold well, factories made more. If it didn't, production stopped immediately. Designers, store managers, and factories worked together like one nervous system, feeding constant feedback into design and production. The result? Zara turned the entire industry from forecast-driven to feedback-driven. Here's how it works. Most brands outsource manufacturing to Asia. Zara keeps over 50% of its production in Spain, Portugal, and Morocco, close to its headquarters in Galicia. This proximity means speed. Design to prototype, 1 week. Prototype to production, 2 to 3 weeks. Distribution, new stock to every store twice a week. Zara owns its logistics: planes, trucks, warehouses, even the IT systems that track every item in real time. In the logistics center near Zaragoza, Spain, millions of garments move through automated conveyors every day, destined for 7,000+ stores worldwide. Zara also uses scarcity as a strategy. They intentionally produce limited quantities, so customers know that if they don't buy today, it might be gone tomorrow. That urgency drives more frequent store visits and faster turnover. In the background, Zara's data teams monitor sales daily, adjusting designs, colors, and fabrics based on what's trending, not just on social media, but in physical stores. It's a perfect fusion of fashion intuition and data-driven logistics. But Zara's model isn't without criticism. Fast fashion has environmental costs: waste, overproduction, and pressure on workers. Still, from a pure supply chain perspective, it's a masterclass in vertical integration, agility, and responsiveness. Zara showed the world that being close to your market, geographically and informationally, can be more powerful than being cheap. And as the fashion world faces sustainability and digitization, others are still trying to match what Zara perfected decades ago. From a small Spanish town to a global empire, Zara's speed didn't come from luck. It came from rethinking the entire chain that connects ideas to clothes. Because in a world where trends change overnight, speed is the ultimate fashion statement.